So we start with this problem. Suppose x plus y plus z is equal to 10. How many non-negative integral solutions are there for this equation? I mean, negative numbers you cannot take. You can start your solution from 0. So what you are going to do there, you are writing 10 ones in a row. Ten ones in a row. And then you are taking two separators here, but those separators can be placed anywhere. Anywhere means those separators I can take this manner. Taking the first solution, this implies x is equal to 2, y is equal to 7, z is equal to 1. Instead, we are keeping separators this way. Keeping two separators this way. Just before it, no x is there. So this implies what we are telling, before the separators, number of ones lying is a solution. So x will be 0, y will be 8, z is equal to 2. Here 0 is included. So you can take it in this manner. Separators I have kept just outside it. Similarly, this can go outside from the right side also. So in that case, z is going to be equal to 0. Isn't it? In that case, z is going to be equal to 0. And y will be equal to 10. So don't you think that when you are keeping those 10 ones, and two separators, just two separators you can take any manner. They can go outside also. So don't you think that number of non-negative integral solutions is equal to number of ways to arrange two separators and ten ones. Okay. So here number of arrangements going to be equal to, how many are there? 10 plus 2, 12. Okay. And their repetition is there. So if you say that, it will be, and how many places you can keep the separators? Separators can go outside also. So when 10 ones are arranged, then number of gaps formed will be equal to number of places where separators can be placed is equal to n plus 1. I mean 10 plus 1. Do you agree? When 10 ones are kept, the number of ways separators can be placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 places are there. Okay. So if you keep in these 11 places, they are not coming together. So how many arrangements do you expect here out of these equations? There it will be, if we go for formula like for x1, x2, xr is equal to n. There it will be arrangement of two separators and these n. Achha, first you consider this simplified problem. Arrangement of two separators and 10 ones. Nothing else. So factorial 10 plus 2 by factorial 2 factorial 10, because those are repeated over there. Two separators, they look similar. 10 ones also, they look similar. So here number of solutions will be number of ways, 2 separators and 10 ones can be arranged. That is factorial 2 plus 10. That is factorial 12 by factorial 10 into factorial 2. If you say that for this one, how many? Here, how many separators I am going to take? Here, we will be taking number of separators, how many? Number of separators we take is equal to r minus 1. And n ones are arranged. So number of non-negative integral solutions is equal to number of ways n ones and r minus 1 separators can be arranged. So this will be factorial n plus r minus 1 this, by using combination formula you can state it is, here also you can say it is factorial 10 plus 3 minus 1 C 3 minus 1. So this is the formulation. If we are going to find, for example, if you are willing to find number of solutions of this equation, here number of non-negative integral solution going to be 30 plus 4 minus 1 C 4 minus 1, that is 33 C3. Okay, if you remember this formula always, that is n plus r minus 1 C r minus 1. So Diophantine equation, two cases, two formula we have derived. Both the formula will help you to solve number of integral solutions only. In the first case, number of solutions will be all positive integral, I mean starting with 1, but here 0 can be included. Solution may start with 0. Okay, this is a very useful formulation on Diophantine equations to find. Sometimes we can get with the help of that by considering several cases. If you say that no, I will not consider this manner, I have another tool, that is okay. you can use, but this is faster than any other method. Okay, if they are asking you number of integral solution of x plus y plus z is equal to 12, you can you tell me a different method? I'm just giving you this one as a task. Use a different technique to find number of positive integral solutions of the equation x plus y plus z equal to 15 by using a different or same method. Find number 1, number of positive integral solutions, and part B, find number of non-negative integral solution. Okay, several methods are there. If somebody asks you this one and another one you take, find number of positive integral solution of this equation x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to, say, 40. Find the number of positive integral solution of this equation. Okay, so you try at home, you discuss the problem with me. Now I'm going to tell you one problem I'm posing today, because if you just keep in your mind, it will be easier for our next session, where I'll explain many problems based on this grid. It's a grid. This one is a grid. What is the size of this grid? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 9 by 7 grid. Okay? An ant starts its motion from here. It has to reach the point A. It can go forward or leftward only. Okay? The ant can move forward or leftward, but never rightward or backward. Okay, this is one path you can follow to reach from this point 0, 0 to 9, 7. This is 0, 0 and this is 9, 7. The question is, how many different ways that ant can go from 0, 0 to 9, 7? How many ways? Question number 1. How many ways the ant can go from 0, 0 to 9, 7? This is first question. Second question is, how many ways it can go from 1, 1 to 8, 5? The third question is, how many ways it can go from 1, 1 to 8, 5 by avoiding the vertex 7, 3. Okay, and in one step it can move 1 unit only. If it can move 1 unit this way, see, I am simplifying the problem for you so that your thinking process will be faster here. Here, how many horizontal steps it's going? Each of 1 unit, 3 unit this way, 2 unit this way, 4 unit this way, 3 unit this way, 2 unit this way. Okay. So how many horizontal paths it has traveled? It has traveled 3, 4, 7 to 9. See, 9 is there. It has covered 9. And here 2 plus 3, 2 plus how many? 1, 2, no. 3 plus 1. So whatever path it is following, even I can take one more path for you for better understanding. Suppose it's following first step this manner. It has taken the left turn first, then right turn, then left turn, it can reach that way also. Here horizontally how many it has traveled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Horizontally 9 and vertically 7. So you will be able to find